Okay, so I am currently in the process of writing an application which displays sorting algorithms. I currently have bogus sort selected, which is not what we want. Merge sort. So it currently lacks a selector for the sorting algorithm. I will add that later, not yet. Well, that's probably the next thing I'm gonna do, but I don't think that will happen today. Anyway, as you can see, it is basically the same as every other existing visualizer of sorting algorithms, with one key difference: it can display more than one bucket, which means the merge algorithm uses 3 buckets, which this is the first bucket. Once I start sorting, there will be 2 separate buckets, one here and one here. Also, you don't see where the algorithm is writing or reading by blacking out certain lines, because that's stupid. Rather I have made so that when something is read on the side here of the bucket, there will be a green line where it read that, and for writing it's the same, just in red. So let's just do that. I know it's very fast. I might have to slow that down a little. 10 times should be good. Also, I have made so that shuffle has an animation. I like that very much. So let's sort that. You can see it's going up, and this is very not beautiful at all, but I can't change it because that's just how the algorithm looks with several buckets. You can see it taking in the items and then sorting them. I think that's a very good representation of the merge algorithm. Also, if you just saw these numbers, these are just debugging purposes. I will remove them in releases. We don't have a release yet, actually, because, well, it's very basic right now. You don't want to use this for, well, anything at all. So we changed the speed back to really fast, because bubble sort, that's the third, actually the first sort I've implemented, but it's really slow. Bubble sort is not what you want to use in actual use cases, but it's just a very classic and easy to implement sorting algorithm. That's why I chose to implement it. So as you can see, it is just the bubble algorithm. You can see very clearly where it read and where it writes. You can see, yes, it is very slow. We have the speed at 100 now. We can slow it down so we can see more what it actually does. So it is going up there. Also, maybe you're seeing these up there. FPS is really self-explanatory. UPS, I don't know what the U stands for, but I know this number from Factorio, and it's basically the cycles of the background mechanic, and this is how fast the game actually runs. Well, it's not a game in this case, but this is that. So much for that. So you can see the bubble sort is actually always just to goes just to there. It always leaves one more item. Actually, I'm gonna explain these algorithms. God, I can't speak. I'll explain these in separate videos, because this is already too long, I imagine. So the stop button is actually just a pause button. So that's that. You can just reverse it, but if you do, it stops the current algorithm and it starts over, because I mean, obviously it's not sorted anymore the way the algorithm wants it to. So yes, you can also reverse while it's running. It restarts the algorithm automatically. Same goes for shuffling. No, it doesn't. Okay, it did once. Honestly, I don't care. It's just so we have so many things that are missing right now, so I don't care about that one. If you want to contribute, you have the link up here. I will put it in the description of the video, so you can maybe contribute if you want. We have the algorithms. We should. I want to implement all 50 of them. Actually, no, 49, because one of them is gravity sort, and I don't like gravity sort because it's cheating. It's not sorting; it's changing the values. So that's stupid. So that's that. If you want to contribute, that's probably the thing I want you the most to contribute, because that's a load of algorithms. Okay. If you have ideas for other features, or if you find a bug, just file a new issue. I will try to address these. Yeah. Please don't. No, you can't actually assign me. That's only if you have access to the repository. Yeah, just file an issue and I'll do everything else. Yeah, so that's that. I will probably not see you in the next video, because this is not very exciting, I believe, for anyone. But hey, here we go. Yay! This is very awkward.